kuma riria Moses Kuria arutirwo gutuika CS na agitwarwo gutuika State House advisor ne kweyumiririe andu aingi guku nenda-ini makiuga ati he is being wasted kana mundu wothe urarutwo giti gia CS na gutwarwo giti kia advisor kana any other seat in State House ne kuonania his services are no longer needed. A good example ni Moses Kuria ucio warutirwo giti gia CS agitwarwo State House advisor among others. Umuthe tuko tukiriria Moses Kuria tondu story yake niyo ikoretwo ikiariririo Mount Kenya for quite some time. Andu ni makoretwo makiuga Moses Kuria ni afati gukorwo akiuma thirikari-ini kuona ati William Ruto ni aramukuga wana. In what people say that State House advisor ucio ti wira. Most recently, Entronire Sovinga wa Viviana kuria gatondu lecture Moses Kuria na akimwira ati gutire undu kungithie nyumba-ini ume gutuika mutumia utuike maidi, clearly showing that gutire hindi ungiuma wira munene uthi wira munini in the same house. That shows that you're not being respected there.
Ritarere Moses negukwira uria hihi utagirwo ni andu aria ithue kuguri tutiri kuo, we are not there. Ere twaithania kana mweko kanitha na bishop mweko alafu na madha timega urore madha timega masasio mzuri odhie wethe Matiang'i viweza Uhuru wa Kenyatta enda utafuta Gachagua nyinyi katili pamoja tuende line moja. Tutikwenda hatutaki kusikia wewe Moses Kuria uko pande ile, rudi nyumbani. Na ukikataa tutaanzia from Githunguri Murang'a wapi Kikuyu yote ikukujie kwa sababu you are being misused. Hakuna kazi unafanya huko. Doge tuika minister wa trade. Minister wa trade. Osoke nigewe helio otuike minister wa public service. Osoke nigewe advisor. Enewe agitore kugira na haki boy. Na twakwira oinuke na tutigugutigithiria oinuke. Tugukenerere uria twagukenagirira riria wari witu. Riu no atigire utuika witu. Wewe uraiga we advisor wa president. Ako mu advisor go guo. Sindio? Nikiure kana wagire ukoti ngweo ya Matiang'i. Ega itiguo. You are being wasted. What are you doing there? What mambo hiyo umeenda kufanya huko sio yako.
Na ni ndereti ikoretwo ikiariririo muno guku and we saw that Moses Kuria ni ararikire gukorwo akiyumire na kwaririria uhoro ucio haria araugire ati thirikari-ini akauma riria baba Raila Amolo Odinga akauma na the main reason I think why he said this ni ati Raila Amolo Odinga ndakoragwo handu hatari na mbeca. If you see Raila Amolo Odinga anywhere, just know that hena besha shirauma hau. The moment he came into the government, na magithondeka broad-based government, netuonire ni ahorera. Before that, netuonaga ni afangaga maandamano, githagathago gwatuika ithagathago guku Nairobi town ngima. But after he joined the government, the question ni ahorerete. Why? Because there is money. Na Moses Kuria arauga ati the fact that ario thirikari-ini bado no ahota gukorwo agitetera andu a Mount Kenya na interest cia andu a Mount Kenya cikorwo cigiteterwo.
Watu wetu kaide mwaririe na rugera twaragia ndimwire atiriri nitwathuranire ka tutiathuranire umuthi ukithie duka-ini ugure nguo yage gukuigana mundu ni acokagia niguo ukanengerewe ngikana ugacokerio pia umuthi ri ona mungika atia ri kura iria mwikirie no mucokerio kura ni nguo tu na toibie iromo ri nituraiguithanie andu aitu kana turakareri kana twike atia ri guthurana nitwambe kiria twathuranire tuone faida ya maundu maria twathuranire niguo tucio niguo ugi na nie mundu ngirathite kuga ati ndabutirwo wira wa mutumia ati ngiandikwo wira wa maidi no sawa ka wira wa maidi atari wira wa maidi ti wira maidi ni mundu kana nyamu ni aratuika maidi ciana iria nderithondere no iria ndaciarite ida ndari thirikari-ini koguo no nginya ngori na ngoro ya ciana na ndicirere niguo tuteithie president, tuteithie deputy president, tuthondeke maundu ma kirimo gitu niguo kahua for the first time turareho ciringi igana rimwe ria mirongo ina na cigana na ithano niguo andu aitu tutiambe tuhige twambe tutie kira turikia ki muhuko ndeke na kumuria atiriri mundu tago Raila tuhuranaga nake ri ni mundu mukegu kweli niki areka thirikari-ini nie kaima thirikari Raila ima niguo tondire mukegu aikara hau na nikeka atia akora maitho na nikeka atia kiria raya nikeka atia kiria atora na andu ao na nikeka atia ngai to murathime na mwike wega asante
nä tuonete nginya Rigathi Gachagua akiarĩrĩria ũhoro ũcio na akiuga atĩ there is no way you can replace a great mind like Moses Kuria with someone like Kabogo. Ũguo nĩ kuonania atĩ Moses Kuria is more productive than even Kabogo na koguo kuonania the dissatisfaction in people. Ndiũĩ maoni maku when Moses Kuria was CS no ndirikane hĩndĩ arĩ CS wa trade na nĩ abangĩte maũndũ na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno na nĩ kwarĩ na industrial parks ciabangagwo in the whole counties, in all the counties. Nĩ kwarĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa arĩ CS wa public service. We would all see the impact and the difference na maũndũ marĩa akoragwo akiarĩrĩria megiĩ CS kana megiĩ ministry icio akoragwo agĩca. We will see a knowledgeable person, mundu uramenya kile ararĩrĩria ministry ne yake na mundu uramenya kile areka. And so Moses Kuria is a very big resource. Na ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ, do you support what people are saying that Moses Kuria nabatiĩ gũkorwo agĩcokio thirikari-inĩ in an active role, and if not that akiume thirikari-inĩ toguo Sovinka wa Viviana ararĩkirie kuga? And what is your take on Moses Kuria's response? It also shows that muthenya uria Raila akauma thirikari-ini andu aingi muno ni makamutoka. If Moses Kuria can say that in front of the deputy president, na all the men aware, they are all aware, thaici thirikari-ini ndigwiciria even if there is pretense in the government marauga ati ni megucoka na maundu macio mothe na baba ndekuma thirikari-ini, we all know that Raila Amolo Odinga will not stay in KK's government for long. So ni kuonania baba agiuga mothe ni arauma, Moses Kuria rucio no ekuma. And again, there are a lot of concerns about William Ruto's advisors. Kuratuika na advisor ingi gukira CS, and according to what Rigathi Gachagua tells us, ni ati William Ruto takes advice from William Ruto. Koguo advisor aya ni a wira uriku? Guys, no comment yo twire mawoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ.